English Learning with Neil Sir. Improve your reading, writing, speaking, and listening skills. Spoken English question and answers. Improve your listening, reading, and answering skills. Pause the video if needed. Let's begin. I am on a diet.
Why? You don't look overweight.
How do you travel to college?
I travel by train.
When is it convenient for you?
I guess this weekend.
When will he be back?
He said next week.
This restaurant is very nice.
It's one of my favorite.
What time does the shop open?
It opens at 11 a.m.
I think we better eat out.
That is a good idea.
It's freezing cold this weekend.
Yes, I didn't expect it to be so cold.
Do you like drinking tea?
I do, but not often.
Can we get started now?
Sure, that would be good.
What happened?
Sorry, I dropped the glass.
What's the temperature?
It's almost 35 degrees.
That was really cheap.
I know, I was lucky to find it.
Do you like cats or dogs?
I prefer dogs.
Would you be going to buy some groceries now?
Yes, a bit later.
Where are the chocolates?
They are in the fridge.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I speak English very well.
What you do in your spare time?
I like reading novels.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I am going to visit my grandparents.
How would you like to pay?
I would like to pay by cash.
Whose bag is it?
It's mine.
How big was that?
It was very big.
Was the exam easy?
No, it was very difficult.
When did she leave?
She left an hour ago.
Did you go to bed late?
Yes, I went to bed around midnight.
Did it rain yesterday?
No, but it did drizzle a bit.
Did you talk to him?
No, I am not interested.
How long have you known them?
Since childhood.
Can you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket very well.
Do you have fever?
I guess so. I am not feeling too well.
Where are the letters I gave you?
I posted them yesterday.
Why do you keep making excuses?
I really don't know.
Are you telling me the truth?
Yes, I am telling you the truth.
Why are they making fun of you?
I don't understand. They may be jealous.
Should I wait or leave?
It's better you leave.
What are you doing here?
I came to meet a friend.
Why are you looking so upset?
I lost my cell phone.
Who will pay the bill?
I'll pay the bill.
Is he your boyfriend?
No, he is just a good friend.
Is it ready?
Almost just a couple of minutes more.
Where are you from?
I am from Singapore.
What is he still doing here?
I don't know. Maybe he is waiting for someone.
Do you know how to drive?
Yes, a bit. I am still learning.
Have you eaten?
No, I am not hungry.
Is that your bike?
Yes, my dad bought it for me.
What's your favorite food?
I like to eat pizzas.
Where do you want to go now?
Maybe for a long drive.
Where were you last night?
I was at a friend's party.
When are we going for the picnic?
This weekend after work.